Hey everyone, it's Matt from my Model Y Adventure, and I just went ahead and took my car through a car wash here to clean it off from some of the winter salt that's been everywhere. And one of the biggest things, I have my microfiber towel here to dry things, is especially in gaps where you're going to get some water retention. After you dry it and you drive, water streaks are going to come down or go over the window, or if you're cleaning off, drying your tires, cleaning some in between the door jamb here, or even up here where you got your weather stripping. You're going to have this gap here where water can retain. One of the things that you struggle with, well, I picked up this WOLFBOX. I think this is the MF200 to help clean and blow this air away versus needing to like use a leaf blower or other things like that. So stay tuned and we'll see how well this thing works. So just to cover like some stats on this thing, I picked it up on WOLFBOX's website. I know it's also on Amazon, but it has some adjustable speeds. It goes like over 210 miles an hour, the airflow coming out of it. With the 3 different speeds, the max like RPM is something over like 110,000. So it's a very powerful device, and USB-C charging, and the battery pack is actually removable. So you can buy multiple battery packs to replace this if you're using this very frequently. So there's a little button here on the side to power it on. Then you got your fan speed. So I will say, like, sound wise, this is pretty loud, but it's a little compact device here. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on back here with the power button. And we can see the 3 lights are here. This is your little trigger to hold to have the airflow come out. So let's see, I'm on the max speed. So let's just see kind of how well this works. You can see that water really moving here. Let me check out, can I buy this mirror? You can really see the water coming out here. Let me do it this side. The door handle's another area. Check out the door jamb here and just blow some down. Behind the mirror, inside of it, you can see all that water coming out. By the camera. So it's working actually pretty well. You can see there is lots of water coming out of areas that you wouldn't necessarily be able to get with a towel. Just looking at the wheels here. See all that water where the lug nuts are. Working out very well. Down here by, say, the trim. Headlights. You can see just the water here on the hood. So there are some adjustable speeds here. So we have 2, and then this is 1. We'll try it at the lowest here. So it is coming out. You can see it's not very effective at moving the water here. Let's try the second speed. It is better. Not super effective, at least here, but I am able to remove my hand on the first and second speeds, and it does keep it on here. The third speed, though, you do have to hold while you use it. So this thing can even be great at getting some of the dust and water in your sill right here. See it all getting blown down. Just blow it out of the way. So here's another use case that I want to test this for. I have a air purifier, and part of it is like this initial screen, and then part of it is kind of this, I don't know, like a charcoal-like material. But I have 2 dogs, and they make a ton of hair and pet dust. So I want to see how well this will help blow some of this dust and hair off of here. It's doing an awesome job. You can just, I don't know how well you can see on camera, all this dust and hair just getting blown off of this. So this is basically see-through now, and we can see how gross this is. Let's keep spraying. So obviously some things like this dog hair that you can see that's embedded with it isn't going to necessarily be blown away by this. It's not the intended tool, and it's not the job of it. But flipping it over, we can see there is still some on this side. So let me just do a quick as it blows off. But you can see there is a dramatic change blowing all of that dust just in the color. It was more gray than black, and now you can see basically the dust has been blown through it. So they're just a quick little, using this. I'm going to hold this up with my other hand and help blow the rest of it out of here. But just another great use case of having this versus needing to have those air dusters, which can add up in price pretty quickly. So some other examples of things that you can use this for, this would be great to like clean your computer or other electronics that have dust buildup. I know I actually just cleaned my computer last month with an air duster because I didn't have this, and I think picking up the air dusters on Amazon was like $40 for, I think it was 4 of them, maybe it was 5. But I went through, I think, 3.5 cans to basically clean and get all of the dust out. And that's something I do about every 6 months or so. So now I wanted to do that, which is great because now I have this. The other thing I wanted to add as to why I picked this up was it has a warranty. It's 30 months, which is awesome because then if anything happens between now and then, especially with the battery or the fan or anything, I know I'm covered. And this also comes with some other tips. Oops. So I just dropped that one. But there's some other tips that come with it that you can put on here that have different shapes to help with cleaning whatever surface it is that you wanted to use. So I'll put a link in the description to where I picked this one up from WOLFBOX. And again, I think it was like $130, $140. So it does have a higher price tag with it, but you're really going to be saving yourself in the long run some money because you don't have to buy other air dusters. You don't have to hug or chug a giant, leaf blower around when you're cleaning some simple electronic things. So hope you guys found this quick review helpful of this WOLFBOX. I'm super happy with it. It did help cleaning the car a lot easier. You just saw it when I was cleaning off the filters here for my air purifier. This thing is awesome. So again, hope you found this content helpful. Thank you for watching. Feel free to add some comments or like the video, subscribe if you're not already. This was Matt from My Model Y Adventure.